What's up, team? Fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So guys, please excuse the quality. I'm filming with a daylight. I don't really feel like glamming up. This is just no makeup. My skin is getting better. You guys can see my allergy is getting better, so I have not been putting any makeup on for the past week now, so that's the reason why you guys have not been seeing makeup videos. But hopefully very soon I'll start putting up some makeup. I just wanted to leave my skin to rest for a couple of days, you know, just for a week or two, let my skin breathe on its own, and then I will jump back into the makeup videos. So today I'm here to talk about cameras for beauties, camera and accessories you need if you are thinking about buying this Sony a6400 camera. Things you need to know, so you don't think about only, oh, I just buy the camera and that's it. No, there's a lot more to that. So before you think of buying this camera, pause and watch this video first, okay? But before we jump into this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box, okay? And please excuse the daylight, because the light, you know, when the sun is shining, it's kind of like mess up with the camera and every other thing. So I'm just using my bedroom, put the camera right in front of my window, just that. So I picked up this camera. This camera is pretty expensive, but it's pretty a good camera. I picked this up purposely for the fact that you can see yourself, because when I film, I do not have anybody who is monitoring the camera, who is monitoring to see if everything is good. So I want to see myself in focus. Yes, you can connect your camera to your laptop or your computer to monitor the screen, but I do not have time to do that. So I like to see myself whilst I'm filming to see if everything is on focus. So that's the reason I buy the camera, and I've had a lot of great reviews on this camera, and it's very good. When you're holding it, it feels really good. So that's the reason why I pick it up. But when I picked this camera up, I've never used the Sony cameras. The ones I use is the Nikon J5, and even that I don't know a lot, because I'm not really a technique girl or technology kind of girl, but I try to do a lot of research on YouTube to find the best setting for me. That's the same thing I've been doing with this camera. If you buy this camera, you've never buy any other camera before, you've never used like professional camera before, you're gonna get mad like I did, because I was really mad, because I was like, this camera, the setting is crazy, I don't know how to use it. I was really mad because I couldn't do a lot. I don't know how to work with it. I just had to like calm down, watch a lot of tutorials, watch a lot of videos on YouTube for me to able to learn how to use this camera. But even at that, the camera is not the only thing you need. You need a whole lot more to this camera. First of all, the one thing that I didn't like about this camera is for the fact that when you want to charge the battery, you have to put the battery in the camera and connect the USB cable and then charge. So you can't get the battery out and charge it. So if you're somebody like me who do beauty videos, you guys know that's the most annoying part, because for example, let me say your battery died, you want to able to charge your battery separately and at the same time continue with your video. You don't want to able to wait with a half-face beat and then before, like, you know, it's just crazy. So I'm going to tell you guys the things that you need to get if you are thinking of buying this camera. First of all, this camera is expensive. It's like 1,000 euros, 1,200. It depends on where you get it. It depends also on the season, how you get it. Sometimes they do have some sales, they do have some discounts or something, but the price is like 1,000, 1,200, 1,300. I really love it. It's a very beautiful camera. I really love it. So this is the camera. When you buy, this is what you get. You can buy the body separately and buy different lens, or you can buy it with the kit lens. I buy it with the kit lens, and I really love it. It's very beautiful. I really love it. I love the fact that you have self menu. Guys, my battery was dead. So what I was trying to say, I love the fact that you have that self menu, that you can actually program the things that you use the most and put it there. That is what I really love. And I love the fact that it has microphone. You can put the microphone here. But one thing you don't know, even though yes, it has a microphone jack where you can put your microphone, when you put the microphone at the top here, you can't actually see the screen. Let me say let me hold something. Let me say this is the microphone is standing here, right here, and you are filming. You can't actually see the screen, so you need other things to kind of accessorize this camera. So I'm going to show you guys a few other things that I picked up on the internet to make me use this camera in a very good way and also in a very stressful way. So first, what you need. For me, I do beauty videos, so I have two batteries. I have one battery, I have a backup. I always like to have a backup. Even when I was using the Nikon J5, I always have two batteries. What I love about the Nikon J5, it comes with a battery charger separately, but this one does not have a battery charger. So first, what you need, you're gonna need two batteries. I have two batteries so that I never run out of battery. So I always have two batteries. So first of all, you're going to get one battery with the camera, but you need to buy another battery so that you never run out. And then second, you're going to buy a separate battery charger. Yes, you're going to, because I cannot stand my battery being dead and have to wait for my camera to charge my battery before I can start filming. When I bought the camera, I experienced that twice and I was really mad. So I decided, you know what, save myself the stress. You're gonna need a battery charger. So this is very simple. It's a USB charger. You just click the battery in. Two batteries. Whenever I'm ready to film video, I always make sure I let this one to charge at least 20 to 30 minutes before I start filming. I let both of them charge fully. And what I love about this charger is that when it's charging, it's red. When the battery is empty, it's come here red, but as soon as the battery is full, it goes in green. So I really like it. So I never really let the battery go dead. So for example, I'm filming and the battery died, which I've never really experienced, except I didn't film the charger, like film the battery, and sorry, except I didn't charge the battery like real full. But if the battery is full, it's always good for me to like film my entire videos without running out. But when I first got the camera, because I only had one battery, so I never really had that time to like charge it fully. So I had that twice, which I was really mad, and I went to buy a separate battery and a separate charger. So I got this battery, and the charger is from the same brand, which I really like. This charger is really handy. So for example, if I'm filming now and this battery, I take one battery, I put it in, and I'm filming, the battery die, I'll take the new one, I'll put it in, and I'll take the one that's empty, I will charge it immediately. So you need something like this. You need a battery, you need a spare battery, and you need a battery charger, because the camera does not come with a battery charger. If you live in Holland, I buy my battery charger from bokeh. That's where I bought the battery charger, and the extra charger itself, I pick it up from the camera store where I buy the camera itself. So, and then after you got the battery, you need an USB memory card. My memory card is such a very big one. I got a very big memory card. I think it's 260, I don't know, 256 gigabytes. I don't know how, if you guys can see, like focus, it's so small you guys can't really see it. It's 256 gigabytes, so it's quite a very large one. So I never run out of space. I'm really happy I got this big memory card, because I never really run out of space, and it's very easy. I just put my memory card here, put my battery in, and I close it. So I never really run out of space. So that's why I decided to get a big memory card. And now what I'm going to tell you about something that will allow you to put your microphone whilst filming with a camera. You're gonna need something like this. Focus. You're gonna need something like this. Something like this will come very handy. I think the box itself explains to you everything, as you guys can see. You need something like this. You're gonna put this around the camera, and then you're going to put the microphone here at the side. So by that way, you have enough space to be able to see the screen whilst you are filming. So I picked this up on Aliexpress. I see this. I saw something like this on bokeh and other store, which they were really expensive. expensive, like 30 to 50, 60 euros. They're really expensive. So I decided to, you know what, copy the name, go to Aliexpress and look for it there. And luckily I found it on Aliexpress, and I saw very great reviews, so I decided to just pick it up from Aliexpress. Shipping was a little bit long, but not super long. I think like a week or two I got it in the house, which I was really happy about. So this is what this thing look like. This is what it looks like. Very easy. So what you do with this thing, you just put this on top of your camera like this. This is how you click it. You click this, it comes with the screw dryer. So this is what you're gonna do. This thing here, this one here, you guys can see this one here is going right in here. So what you're going to do, you're going to try to lift this one up. You're going to put this one in, and then you're going to screw it onto the camera, so it's gonna stay fixed like that. Maybe a little bit tighter so that it doesn't loose. Yeah, so you see, now you fix it, it stays. So when you want to put your camera on your tripod, you have holes here. You guys see, you have this one, you have this one. Depends on how big your tripod is. If you have a big tripod, you can put it in here. If you have a small one, you can put it in here. So they have like options for you to put your tripod. So this is what you have. So with this one, it actually allow you to, you see, it actually allows you to put your microphone in here, and then you can able to see yourself whilst you are filming. So this is very beautiful. This is something I really like. I feel like this is really handy, and you can actually access everything. You can access your battery. It's not that you can't access your battery. You can access the battery hold where you put your battery. You can access like all of things here. You can access this one. You can access here where you put your microphone and your USB cable. You can access everything. All the things that you need to access, you can actually access them. So it's not like you're not going to access a lot of things. And at the back, you can definitely access everything you need at the back. It's so simple, really nice. So now I'm going to show you guys the microphone. So I pick up this microphone also from Aliexpress, because the microphones they were having in my store here, they were pretty expensive, like 60 euros. I was like, you know what, I don't know how to use microphone. I'm not really good at it, so I don't want to buy something expensive that I can't, because I already have the Blue Yeti microphone, which I used to do voiceover, and which I really like. So I didn't want to get something very expensive. Maybe in the future I will, but for now, let's just, you know, I've spent a lot with the camera, so let's just kind of like balance everything that I need to buy with it. So I pick up this microphone from Aliexpress as well. I got a great review on this microphone. This is what it looks like. Focus. This is what the microphone look like, because you guys can see you can use it on your camera, on your phone, your laptop, and everything. So this is what this microphone look like. So now I'm going to show you guys what this microphone look like, and it's a very beautiful microphone. I really like it. Oh, okay, let's get the box. So focus on me. So this is what this microphone look like. You guys can see this is how it looks like. You can actually I don't know how to take this off. You can actually take this off. I don't want to break it, but you can actually take this part off, and there's a pin in here which you can use to put it on your phone. You can actually take this off, put it on your phone, just like the way it looks on this package here. You can actually remove this one. If you are recording on your phone, you can actually fix it on your phone. So this is what the microphone looks like. It came with two skin. This is actually the actual microphone. Looks really nice, and you can either fix this black one on top of it, or you can fix this hairy one for like preventing winds and other noise, like when you are doing vlogs. So you can actually use this one or this one. I prefer using this one because I'm doing more indoors videos, so I prefer using this one. And it also came with cables, like this cable you can connect. This one is the longer one. This one is a little bit long. the cable, and it also came with a short one. So you have like two option cable you want. You can either use a long one, or you can use a short one if you want to. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix this. So you're going to take this one, you're going to put it right behind this thing, and then what you're going to do, you're going to open this side of the camera. You're going to fix this one right in here. You're going to fix it right in here. So now you're going to take your microphone and you're going to put it, let's create a space. Supposed to put it right here. You're going to put your microphone like this. So now you have like space to film. So you guys see, you can see yourself, and now you have a microphone. So these are all the stuff that you need before you buy this camera. Or if you are thinking of buying this camera, put these things in your mind, because they are also a lot of a little bit expensive you need to do. So you need to get this one, a microphone, and an extra battery and a battery charger. This will help you a lot if you are filming. It will help you a lot depending on what content you are filming. Sometimes you may even need 3 batteries depending on how long your videos take, but for me 2 batteries is enough. And I really love the setting. It's very beautiful. I really like it. So I hope you all like this video. If you guys have any question, let me know in the comment box. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook like page. This is to get Amy, and I really love this. And this is so easy. I can actually see myself while I'm filming. I can fix my microphone, and I can actually see myself. It's like really easy. There's no stress. The cable is not that long. It fits perfectly. It's not long. It's very good. The microphone is super good. I really like it. Everything looks very secure. Everything looks very nice. Stays really secure, which I really like. So yeah, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. This is again Emmy. Doeg, vergeet niet te abonneren, en hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Doeg!